Hello everyone, this is Srinivas from Informatica Global Customer Support, and today I'm going to discuss about the topic Role Automation Tool in MDM. The agenda for today's topic is Introduction to Role Automation Utility, Prerequisites, Configuration, and following will be the demo. Introduction. So Role Automation Utility is basically used to copy repetitive roles using this automation tool. You can copy it up to 200 times and you want to delete it. And so with this utility, you won't, you do not need to use Hub Console. I mean, if you want, so with the Hub Console, in order to copy or create these many roles, it will take a lot of time. So it will help us to save a lot of time. So prerequisites. So in order to configure this, first you need to install Resource Kit. So once you install Resource Kit, then you'll be able to access this feature from the Resource Kit. And let me show you the files that are available in Resource Kit. So once you install MDM, you'll be able to see Cleanse and Server, and on top of it, once you install Resource Kit, you'll be able to see all these files. And inside this, if you go to Automation, MDM Role Automation, if you see this zip file, and if you extract this and MDM role, and these are all the files that we're able to see it. And so this PDF is kind of a README file where it will have all the instructions to go through, and a role.properties file is where you need to configure, and you will be running copy role CMD on Windows, and on Linux you can run this shell script, and these are the jars that are required. Okay? And it will come automatically once you unzip this file along with Resource Kit. So in order to install Resource Kit, you'll be able to find all the instructions in the installation guide. So this is Oracle database and JBoss, and here if you see, you'll be able to install Resource Kit following these instructions. Okay. So now let me open the role.properties file. So this is the role.properties file. This is how it looks like, and this is my schema name, password, and I'm using Oracle database here, and the host name and port. And there's a service name I'm giving. So let me open the PDF, which is kind of a README file here. So if you see the PDF which I was talking about related to Role Automation Utility, so this is how it look like, and so let me go. So we have already discussed these steps, right? So along with it, you need to basically set the Java path, and after that, creating roles. So first step is basically you need to create a source role. So source role is basically so once you create this source role, whenever you want to, so what are the roles that you want to copy in? So here we call this as a source role. Right? So all the roles that we want to create here. So currently, how many number of roles I want to create? I want to create 5, right? So all these new roles that are being created will be kind of a copy from this parent role here. So these are just a copies of it. So it will be created 5 times. Okay. So since I have, so this is how this is it. This is what you want to configure. So currently I'm not deleting it. So let me remove these, which I don't want to delete, and I'll just comment these out. Okay. So I just want to only create it now. So let me run the copy role CMD command. So I'm going to the automation path, and I'll open CMD. But before that, let me show you the role that I've created in the Hub console. Okay. So this is the role I've created in the Hub console. You see data steward _1. Data steward _1. So let me now run the copy role CMD command. So looks like it is completed running it. So let me open the Hub console. So now we should see the extra 5 roles on top of it. Right? If you see here, data steward _1 is the parent one, and I'm trying to copy the remaining 5 of them here. Right? So all these 5 which I have given in the role.properties file. Okay, so this is how you copy the roles using this role automation utility. Okay, so similarly, if you want to delete the roles, okay, so let's say I want to delete all these 5 roles, right? So let me delete all these 5 of them. So for that, first I need to enable this, so this number matters. So currently I want to delete 5 of them. I'm giving it 5. Okay, so now okay, so I've saved it. So let me disable them since I don't need them, right? So I'm just trying to delete it now. So I'm going to delete. So I'm going to run the copy role cmd. Sorry, I'm going to run delete.cmd, delete role cmd. Okay, let me check the hub console. Yeah, so now you see here I only see data steward underscore 1, right? So this is again the same schema that we are looking here. So this is MDM sample n is what we were looking earlier, right? So I can only see only one after deleting them. So these are basically you want to create and delete the roles, and these are we use role automation utility from resource kit. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want to give your feedback, you can do so by going to these 2 links. And thank you so much.